The reason why I'm here is because I want to have a better understanding of my culture.
To learn more and basically carry on my dad's legacy.
I'm here because I've come to learn. I'm inspired by the video because my nephew Gene and his wife Amy in Brisbane, they did this course. But also, most importantly for me, is that I have 5 beautiful children, and I really don't want them to go through what I went through, to feel uncomfortable, but to hopefully I can pass that on to them.
Hi everyone, my name's Natasha Swali'i. My father's from Western Samoa, my mom's from Pango, and I'm from Cali, Compton, and now I'm in New Zealand. Yeah, the last 10 years I've been in here, and I've been stuck in Aganu'u Samoa for 101 for the last 2 years, wanting to join, but I couldn't because I'm Lokos Fiku, so I go to church on Saturday, and they have their programs, you know, that ends on Saturday. But then I finally thought to myself, I'm not gonna let it stop me because I wanted to know about my identity, my people, who I really am, and understand everything around me. And once I joined the first night, I've learned so much, it blew me away.
We're doing this in 6-7 days. First time we're doing it like this in Auckland. We normally do it over 10 weeks, 1 day a week. Okay, but just the way we do it overseas, just 7 days straight.
Now, Apia's over here, it's the commercial capital, the Palangi capital. Apia means, api means to stay over. So sometimes people came in from the inland areas and would stay over there, and that's how we get the name of Apia. The whaamatai system is the fabric of our society. That's what makes us Samoans, it's the whaamatai system.
My name's Helen Pritchard and I'm from Manerua in Auckland.
You've got 3 topics, pick one. Now, come tomorrow, you're going to perform in front of the class.
First, I was nervous, but as the second day came along and third day, yeah, just love like the support of everyone. Yeah, I'm loving it and enjoying it.
And so we'll sit there and they'll start calling the elders to the table. And I've always wanted to do that. And on the first night, I learned how to do that. And now I'm teaching my own kids how to do that.
I fulfill my tara mai ao I le lau.
Now, you have to go home tonight and think, what am I going to pick out of the 6?
You know, the less we say these phrases, because we didn't make up these phrases, these are our ancestors made. The less we say these phrases, the more it's going to go out of our memory. The next generation sure isn't going to know these things.
Hi, my name's Aiden, and this is my brother. Hi, my name's Tui.
Talofa everyone, my name is Dee Brown. I am from Otahu in South Auckland. My favourite thing so far is learning the formalities of presenting gifts. And now that I know where to go, where to stand, I'm not going to be hiding anymore.
Put it straight up.
Some funerals we go to, we see some people do what they teach us right now. Yeah, so it's pretty interesting what they're teaching us, so we can commit it, like learning new things that we've never done before. Yeah.
Sit down, that's it. Put it down, get up. The idea of people drinking out of one mixture, one cup, one bowl, that's the central idea behind it, is that once we were 2 parties, and as the different matais from each side start to drink in the order, in the specific order, we become one party.
I did the Fula Fula Taumako over the phone to him, and he cried. Yeah.
What's important is I understand what I'm saying.
The simple things that we do every day, like just the whaanoalo way of like approaching people, and yeah, it's just the small things, you know. Yeah. Can't wait for Fiafia night.
Just hope I don't make a mistake on Saturday.
This coming Saturday, I hope that I don't fob out and I make them proud. And I know without a doubt, 100%, that they're going to be right by my side supporting me. So, Yamanguia, Aganu'u Samoa 101, Vasega 17.
Let's go for Vasega 17.